Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel useNfix. In today's video, I'll show you what the Bet365 app is and how to use it step by step. Let's get started. Bet365 is one of the world's most popular online sports betting platform. It lets you bet on a huge range of sports like football, basketball, tennis, horse racing, and more. With Bet365 app available for iOS and Android, you can check live odds, place bets, watch live streams of matches, and check your betting history all from your phone. Now, to use it, first you need to go to the App Store and download your app. If you haven't, install the app, open it, and you'll see the login and sign up option. If you're new, click on the Join Now option. Fill in your personal details like name, date of birth, and email, then create a password. You may need to verify your account via email or phone. Now, once you're inside, to place bets, you need money in your account. Tap on Deposit tab, choose your preferred payment method, credit, debit card, e-wallet, or bank transfer, then enter the amount and confirm. Now, to place a bet, select a sport from the home screen. Choose the league or match you're interested in. You can scroll it down to see more matches. Then tap the odds of the outcome you want to bet on. Enter your stake in the betting slip. Review your selection and tap place bet. To track a bet, go to my bet section. Here you can see all your active and select settled bets, potential wins and losses. You can even cash out early on eligible bets to secure profits or minimize losses. And that is how you can use the Bet365 app. It is easy, fast, and a great way to enjoy sports betting on the go. If this tutorial helped you, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more guides. Thank you for watching. Bye.